Aloha everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Unseen AI Approach. Are you thinking about selling your home? You've probably heard that first impressions are everything, right? But what does that really mean for preparing your home for the market? Today we are diving into the essential steps to make sure your home stands out and sells quickly. Let's kick things off with the number one thing that can make or break your home's first impression, and that is decluttering. Decluttering is more than just tidying up. It is about showing the expansive space itself. Start with high traffic areas like the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom. Buyers need to see how spacious and functional all of these rooms are. Then I would consider boxing up things that you don't use regularly to make your move even more seamless. Maybe even consider donating or selling things that you don't plan on keeping. Your life is so much more peaceful when you decide to get rid of the things that no longer serve you and just no longer need to be in your space and in your plain sight. Buyers love spacious areas and to organize their things when they first move in. So a cluttered closet can be a huge red flag. Aim to leave about 30% of each closet space empty. This makes your closet look more spacious and more organized. Want more tips on maximizing your home's appeal? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next up is depersonalizing your home. But what does that really mean and why does it matter so much? Depersonalizing means removing things like family photos, unique artwork, and personal collections. Buyers need to picture and vision them living in your space, not being reminded that it is someone else's home. You are creating a blank canvas that invites buyers to imagine their lives in your beautiful home. Have you ever wondered if the colors of your walls could impact the selling price of your home? Let's talk about refreshing your space with the right colors and repairs. If your walls are painted with bold, bright colors, please consider repainting them with neutral tones. Neutral colors appeal to the widest range of buyers and just bring more inviting new energy into a space. And please don't overlook the value of making those small repairs. Maybe consider fixing leaky faucets, chipped tile, and squeaky doors. These minor repairs can make a huge difference in what your home's first impression looks to potential buyers. Did you know that lighting can completely transform how buyers feel when they walk into your home? Let's shed some light on as to why this is such a huge game changer. Good lighting can make your home feel larger, more welcoming, and inviting to whoever walks in. Ensure that all of your lights are working and maybe even consider upgrading to brighter bulbs to make your space seem even larger than it is. Maybe even consider adding lamps where you feel they may be needed. Natural light is also a huge selling point, so be sure to open your blinds and your curtains and let the Maui sunshine in. If your home has great natural light, definitely utilize the value of natural light because nobody likes going into a dark home where it feels secluded and isolating and kind of depressing, right? It really could be the feature that absolutely seals the deal. What is the secret to making every room in your home irresistible to buyers? The answer is effective staging. Please know, you do not always have to hire a professional stager. Sometimes simple changes like rearranging furniture, adding fresh flowers, and getting some stylish throw pillows can really do the trick. Maybe even consider lighting a yummy candle that has a fresh new scent. The goal is to create an inviting atmosphere that is easy to navigate. Furniture should really highlight the home's best features and guide buyers through your home effortlessly. Do you need help on deciding how to best stage your home? Don't worry, we are just a phone call away. Contact us for personalized staging advice so we can ensure that we feature your home's best assets. We have all heard about curb appeal, but But what does it really take to make a killer first impression from the outside? Curb appeal is crucial because it is the first thing buyers see. Start by tidying up the landscaping. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, and if possible, add some colorful flowers. Small touches like a fresh welcome mat, a clean porch, and a fresh paint of coat on your front door can create an inviting atmosphere for buyers prior to even walking in the front door. Don't forget to clean up the driveway and sidewalks too. These little details really do matter and make the biggest difference. The final step, making sure that your home shines online with professional photography. Most buyers start their search online. Actually, 95% of buyers start their search online. So having amazing professional photographers come in and get all the best features of your home is super, super important. Having high quality photos and video footage is essential in today's market. A professional photographer can ensure that your home shines in the best of light, making it stand out and hopefully win against all other listings on the market. Great photos create strong first impressions, not only for potential buyers, but also for real estate agents. This will significantly increase the number of showings that your home gets when it hits the market. So what is the bottom line for getting your home to sell quickly for the highest dollar amount possible? Declutter, depersonalize, and fix your home up with small minor repairs and put in some neutral colors on your walls, adding some fresh flowers, maybe some candles, and really reorganizing your furniture. Optimize lighting, stage thoroughly, boost your curb appeal, and invest in professional photography, along with decluttering, depersonalizing, and making those small minor repairs that will make the significant difference of your home getting the best value when it hits the market. These steps will ensure your home is market ready and primed to sell. If you are thinking about listing your home, don't go at it alone. Contact us today for a VIP real estate consultation and let's make your home shine in the eyes of every buyer when it hits the market. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss an update on the Unseen AI approach.